Hi everybody, this is Tanya. We're having an unboxing today. This is a very exciting Kickstarter. It just came in the mail today. It's the Pocket of Peers. So let's ring the bell. Bring in the lovely energies. So this Pocket of Peers I got on Kickstarter. It's Jamie Sawyer. It came with this cute one-card stand. Looks like the cliff that the fool wants to step off of. Here's the box with the deck. Here's the guidebook. It's 184 pages, and then a page of resources and a page about the author, Jamie Sawyer. So this is like a lot of people in tarot. There are 7 cards that do not have any people in them. The Fool, the Wheel of Fortune, and the World, and all the Aces, because that's all the tarot people. Every single one of us. So, it came with a cool bookmark. And I'll open each page to each card too, so we'll know who's who. So this is the study. Oh, there's 2 extra cards. I think those are the teachers, Mary K. Greer, and I just lost a name. And stickers. Come on, go. Oh, there we go. Let's get social, Facebook or Twitter. Sign up for a newsletter at Creative Divination Tools. JamieSawyer336.com. Thank you for backing the Pocket Peers Tarot on Kickstarter. I'm so grateful for your support. Scan the QR code to access your digital guidebook and sticker. Or you can also visit this. Use the hashtag Pocket of Peers Tarot when tagging to social media to share your experience with the peers. Thank you again for helping make this project a reality. Oh man, she's had these in tiles too. I just can't wait to see it all. Okay, so let's open this. Where's the scissors? Here's the scissors. Woo, got the plastic off. Read this. So, revealing themselves through chance encounters or showing up via the word of lifelong friends embody the adage of how people flow in and out of our lives for a reason or a season or a lifetime. The peers we meet along the path are messengers, mentors, and teachers in disguise. They shift the course of our lives through these interactions. An 8-card deck featuring peers from my life as well as the tarot community, blending symbols from the classic RWS, Rider-Waite Smith system, tarot system within the tapestry of each card. Pocket Peers is a deck that brings clarity from everyday souls that are all doing the best they can to navigate this journey. And this is like, using a paper bag to cover your book. That's what she was trying to make the look like. And our guidebook is like our yearbook. Oh, look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? This study. And there's the tree of life. Beautiful. So here's the backs, perfectly reversible. Beautiful gold gilding. Okay. Okay, so it gives you a picture up front before doing each card. Using this guidebook, teachers come in many forms. Dedication, of course, to my mother. We should all thank our mothers. Here's a picture of the study, Pursuit of Knowledge. I'll put that there for a second. You can pause it. Oh, look, see, here's the wands. Over here we have the major arcana. Cups. Swords. And pentacles. Let's see, what is that? Mary K. Greer. Deep dives. And Rachel Pollack. Okay, here's the Fool. See, this is a card without someone from the community because it's everybody. Try to get this going together very well. So here we are. Nope, I went one too far. Here we are, the Fool. Just beautiful. Look, here is the dog and the Fool and the flower. All the important symbols, the stick for the bag. Here, I'll put the Fool in this card stand. That's awesome. I love this card stand. The Magician is Gail Sawyer. At Ginger Cottage. So not everybody's going to tell you their website in here because some don't want to. You can find her at Ginger Cottage. Her Instagram. I think that's what IG is. So I'm not going to take too long on each card because we would never get done. Here's Melissa Sanova, the High Priestess. She does that kitchen tarot book. She's got a couple other books. And a couple classes on Ethany's Tarot Academy. The Empress is Christine Gorman. Oh, I like that with her in the crystal ball in her hand. Look, we've got the Venus symbol there. Very beautiful. And we have a place for taking notes. The Emperor, Mantis. MantisTarot.com. I skipped a page. Ah. The Hierophant. Redlightreading.com. I guess her name is V, like V Love and Crystals. I'm probably getting this confused. Redlightreading.com, you can find her. The Lovers. Charlie, Claire, and Aaron. Very sweet. The World Witch Tarot.com. Man, it's so hard to just keep going. You know, you want to just stop and read and look, see what you see in the cards. Pamela Chen. She does the Crystal Unicorns and the Witchling Academy. Yes, I love both of those. MagicalPam.com. Oh, she's got her kitty. This string card, make sure I don't have two. Okay. Melda Hughes. SpiritualChickMel.com. I like that. Spiritual Chick Mel. The Hermit. That's my card. Virgo, and my life path number is number 9. Whitney Bowen Abrams. VitaLumen.com. Vita-Lumen.com. Very cool. This has got that spiral in here. The Wheel of Fortune, no person because it's everybody. Wheel of Fortune, very gorgeous. And here we have all the oh, there we go. Could see better. The 4 astrology symbols that go in the corners. They each have a card in the picture. Leo, Taurus, Scorpion, and Aries. Pamela Chen, of course, Justice. She's a lawyer besides a tarot person. BenBell1.com. I have a tarot deck by her, and I have another one coming out. It's the 3rd edition. Perfect placement. Hanged One. I like the Hanged One instead of Hanged Man. Aaron Lento. AaronLento.com. Keep having to focus. Death. Very cool card. This is Mr. Lionhearts. Instagram at Lionhearts. I'm going to have to check that out. I don't have a way to do that with you guys here. Boy, my internet is so slow these days, it's ridiculous. So this is Saturday afternoon. I don't know when it will upload because everything's so slow. Temperance. I like the water flowing between the hands. Jennifer Lucero Earl. JenniferLuceroEarl.com. Devil Tim Fitch. And of course, my dogs have to make an appearance, at least bark. The devil, very cool. He's got his Harley back there behind him. What do the signs say? Comfort, adventure. Oh, that's an arrow. Partner. Lisa Robertson. Now, she is the author of the Mermaid's Tarot. I love that so much. And she helped Pamela Chen edit her book for the Witchlings. And they have a channel together. I can't remember the name right now. Sorry, everybody. The Tower. bit.ly Lisa Robertson. I don't know what that is, but you guys probably do. Ooh, Chris Ann Donnelly. We all know her from the Light Seekers and the Muses and the Sacred Oracle. The Star. Linkter.ee Pixie Curio. And I know we can find her on Instagram. The Moon. Terry Ayacucho. And terryayacucho.com. She is the moon. Oh, look, we got our dog, our wolf. Her face is the moon. Oh, here is the lobster, our crawfish. They both look identical. Crawfish is just really super small. The sun. We got the horse. And he's wearing a sun brooch. Samaj Thomas. You can find tarotbysamaj.com. Oh, I gotta go a little faster. Awakenings, Logan Townsend. IG Card Made Mirror. At Card Made Mirror. I'm using my phone. The World, which is everybody. Isn't that gorgeous? We got the Celtic Cross spread here. And it's this deck. Look. Awesome. Ace of Wands, Realm of Potential. And remember, this is an ace, so it's everybody. Two of Wands. I like the smirk on her face. Trina. Instagram at purple_moon_goddess. Three of Wands. Andrew Barker. TarotAngel1444.com. Four of Wands. Selbin and Robert. Spreadcosmos.com. I'm going to go not say where it's at. So I'll just, you can see it here. Because don't have that much time on the phone. 5 of Wands, Jay. He's got a Rubik's Cube. 6 of Wands, Michelle Welch. She has a garden of crystals. Like that. Lucy Morningstar, female version of Lucifer. Very cool. This is our 7 of Wands. Our 8 of Wands. Unicorns are real, Kristen. Nine of Wands. Ellen Perkins. Ten of Wands, Tia Meredith. Hey, princess, leave it! I don't know what she's seeing, but she's growling at something. Page of Wands, Jamie Elford. Oh, look, she's got the salamanders all over her. Knight of Wands, Taryn Elliott with a white Labrador Retriever. Aww. Well, you all know I'm a dog girl. I love all animals, but I have only dogs. I used to have cats too, but I'm very allergic to them. So when they passed, I didn't get more. Yes, I used my inhaler a lot. I still use allergy medicine a lot because it's just the way I'm made. Jenna Martin, Queen of Wands. Look, with all those beautiful sunflowers. She's got her cat. Jenna Matlin. .com. I've got to stop that. Princess, leave it. King of Wands, Walter Freyson. I can't pronounce that correctly. Princess, come here. Sorry, everybody. I want her to stop that. I think she's trying to keep Smudge away. Smudge is my little dog, and he's blind. Ace of Cups. So this is Ace. Everybody, matters of the heart. Well, here's the Tarot Lady. Teresa Reed for the Tarot Lady, or 2 Cups. And it looks like her guy in there with her. 3 of Cups, Julia Waters. And that must be her tribe. Oh, looks like they're having fun. We have Cancer. We have the goddess, the 3 goddesses, and the Venus. Four of Cups is Tony Kinnett. Five of Cups, Shine Miro. Very nice cardstock. Not easily bendable, but it's matte, it's like silky matte, smooth, and I think it will shuffle very well. 6 of Cups, Rana George. How beautiful. It's so sweet. Seven of Cups, Michael Richmond. Eight of Cups, Mitchell Osborne. Oh, look how sweet the kitty cuddling. Nine of Cups, Maria Pearl. Oh, she looks like she's having a good time there. No, that's not Gemini. It's the Pisces. And Jupiter. 10 of Cups. We got our happy family here. Oops. And one too many cards. Richard Howdy Jr. We even have the doggy. We have the happy couple, the child, the home, the doggy. Life is perfect. Page of Cups, Dr. Michael Anthony. Because it's a Page of Cups, we got the fish in the cup. Knight of Cups. Oh, a doggy and a raccoon she has. Stephanie Borden. Oh, that's sweet. That's the thing I love about Instagram. I see all these cute animal videos. Queen of Cups, Arwen Lynch Poe. She looks like she's been listening to the conch shell. King of Cups, Ruth Washam. Ace of Swords, Realm of Thoughts. This is all of us. Forgot this is an ace. A new way of seeing things. Communicating. Very cool. Here we have our Two of Swords. Oh, an extra card. Holly Enchanted. Oh, I like the name. Enchanted. Three of Swords. Oh, it's an anatomical heart. It's piercing. Trudy Dixon. Four Swords, Carrie Paris. She looks like she's resting there in her meditative pose. Five of Swords, Thomas. Looks like he's physically been working and mentally. Six of Swords, Beth Hall. And there we have the boat leaving the troubled waters behind. Going for smooth waters. Seven of Swords. She has a snake. Esther Thea. She has a lot of snakes and skulls. More snakes. And 7-day candles with, Aquarius. Looks like an eyelash here. Got the moon, crescent moon. I gotta stop looking. I'm gonna rush this. 8 of Swords. is Patrick Kenny. Nine of Swords, Tony Poole. Ten of Swords, Shannon Gomez. Page of Swords, Anario. Oh, it looks like Ethany. Knight of Swords. Cool. Faith Cantrell for the Queen of Swords. King of Swords, Thomas Pilot. Does that say her father? Yes. Cool. Father got some love too. Mama and Daddy. I love you too, Cocoa Puff. She's under the table. 93-pound dog under the table trying to be under my legs. Ace of Pentacles. Material Realm. Two of Pentacles is Samantha. Close friend. Oh, look how sweet. Oh, I love that. Juggling the baby and the bottle. Three of Pentacles. JSF. It says Dad. Four of Pentacles. Kiala. Give hand. Oh, I love it. She's serious. Just all this art, and she's holding it. Looks like she's holding it in her hands. Five of Pentacles. Allison Lamond. Six of Pentacles, Megan Gallagher. Seven of Pentacles, Cedar McLeod. Oh, here we got Jamie Sawyer, I believe. Being the Eight of Pentacles, mastering her skill. Jamie Sawyer. Awesome. Love that. Of course she should put herself in here. She worked hard at doing this. Nine of Pentacles, Mari Binto. Ten of Pentacles is Jillian C. Wild. Oh, look, she has a little French bulldog. Page of Pentacles, Fatima Maboji. Knight of Pentacles, Luna Mare. Look, he has a knight, the horse makes me think knight. Instagram at the Lumare. Queen of Pentacles, Jenna Diaz. King of Pentacles, George Curry. And here's our 2 extras. Oh, 3. So we have Rachel Pollack and Mary Kay Greer and The Study. Oh, this is gorgeous. I just love this. So here's some tarot spreads. Okay, let's try to get here and focus. We have just a couple minutes before this thing cuts us off. If anybody wants to see anything in depth, just write me and I'll show you whatever you'd like to see more. I just have short amounts of time. So this is the Pocket Pairs of Tarot. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you'd like to see. Any ideas? I hope you're all taking care of yourselves and your family. Stay safe. And many blessings to all of you. And hugs and kisses. Bye, everybody.